Nice start to your Thursday morning with temperatures in the low to mid 70s as you head out the door. Pretty close to the seasonal average, off by a degree or two, and similar to how we started the day yesterday as well. There we go. Temperatures are about 2 degrees warmer in Charlotte and DeSoto counties, but Lee, Hendry, Collier County starting right about the same. Dew points upper 60s, low 70s. So although a dew point near 70 is still humid, there is a noticeable difference to the air today compared to earlier this week, last week, when our dew points were still in the mid to upper 70s. So the dew points also similar to how we started yesterday. And the reason for the slight drop is a northerly component to the winds. Winds out of the north and east this morning, 5 to 10. They'll pick back up this afternoon, 10 to 15, just like what we've felt for the past few days. And this will help to keep us comfortable even as those highs heat into the low 90s this afternoon. Overall, very similar pattern continuing with the winds out of the east, northeast. That keeps us clear and quiet in the morning, but tries to track over a few showers in the afternoon. Right now, drier air in place. That's the orange shading that you're seeing here. But we do have a little bit of moisture headed our direction. This is tropical moisture that will bring a little rain to the Bahamas this morning and then eventually push into southwest Florida, upping our rain chances slightly this afternoon. Luckily, that rain not arriving in time for the morning commute. Right now, it's clear and quiet out there, but I would take those umbrellas with you today. Rain chances for the past few days have remained fairly isolated, very hit and miss. Today, it's not anything widespread, still scattered, but our chances are up to about 40–50%, so a little higher chance that you'll face one of those passing storms at some point. Predictor shows quiet conditions through the first half of the day, though. Just clouds mixing with sunshine through midday, and then after 1 or 2, these scattered showers, storms start tracking over from the east coast. You can see that on and off through tonight, settling down a few hours after sunset. So again, not a complete washout. Don't need to cancel any outdoor plans, but we will see a little bit more moisture in the skies, falling from the skies, if you will, as we head through this evening than what we've seen for the past few days with that slight bump in storm chance. So planning forecast as you head out the door this morning. No problems weather-wise for the morning commute. A lot of sun. Clouds will mix in by midday. After about 1 or 2 o'clock is when those scattered thunderstorms will start to develop and track across the peninsula east to west. And we'll see that on and off through this evening, settling down around sunset tonight with our highs today upper 80s, low 90s. So 4-city forecast showing 90 today in Arcadia, LaBelle, Bokeelia, Ave Maria, close to that seasonal average of 89. Again, an increase in rain chance and cloud cover could cap those temperatures upper 80s, but most spots will make it to the low 90s. Ingman Marine boating forecast showing winds up to 15 knots offshore seas 2 feet today with a moderate chop on the inland water. Again, a bit breezy out there, but only an isolated storm chance for the second half of the day, mainly this evening over the Gulf. Heading toward the weekend, rain chances back off once again, some drier air mixing in. So only about a 20% storm chance through your weekend. Highs will stay in the low 90s, and then as we head toward the middle of the next week, as rain chances increase again, it does look like those highs will back off into the upper 80s, which is right where we should be this time of year. Lauren, what's